Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD practice model in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the XY plane. Here take the line command. From the center point, make a straight line. Make one line like this, one here and one at this green point. Now go to vertical constraint. Here you can take the vertical constraint or go to dimension. Define this as 45. Define this total here as 100 and define this as 50. Okay. Now we will define this dimension here as 35 mm. So this will be by default a 20 mm dimension. Now escape. Okay. Now here go to offset. Select this profile. Select here. Right click and click here. Select loop. So when you select this, so it will select complete profile. So you will drag the cursor inside and take offset of 10 mm. Enter. Okay. Now finish sketch. Here take extrude. Select the profile. Here take symmetric extrude and take distance of 90 mm and press OK. Now select this top face. Go to create sketch. Rotate the view. Here take the rectangle command and take 2-point rectangle. From this point we will start a rectangle. Go to dimension. From this edge this will be at 15 mm. Similarly here also this will be at 15 mm. And this depth here will be of 55 mm. Now take a circle command. At this center we will make a circle of diameter 30 and escape. Okay. Now I want this 30 dia profile to be cut along this rectangle. So go to trim and trim this profile. Now go to vertical constraint. Select this point, select this point, select this and select this. Okay. Now go to dimension. If you are unable to do that, you will check what is not constrained. Escape. Now here we will check this movement. Okay, it is having this movement here. So here go to dimension and define this distance. Okay. Now here go to finish. Take extrude. Select this profile. Okay, now this cutout profile will be made along with this rectangle. Now I'll click on direction 2. So this will cut the profiles. Okay, and press OK. Now select this top face. Go to create sketch. Rotate the view. Take here circle command and drag the cursor on this. You'll find the center point and make a dia 30 here and finish sketch. Here take extrude and take extrude of 10 mm. This will be a single direction extrude and press OK. Now select this top face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command, drag the cursor on this, find the center. This will be at 20 dia and finish sketch. Take extrude. Here we will flip the direction to direction 2 and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut and press OK. Go to home. Now here we have completed the profile. Now here we will take the appearance. So I'll take here canary color. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to practice drawing in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.